very good morning, my dear children. Children, today is Saturday and every Saturday we do some activity. So my dear children, on this Saturday we are going to draw something. So take out your drawing copy and your pencil eraser, ruler and your crayons. I hope, my dear children, you have taken out all the things to write down heading of today, a car. So it means we are going to make a car. So children, firstly you have to take your ruler and keep it here in the center. See here, from the starting point to number 8.
Draw a straight sleeping line here.
Fine. Again I am going to draw this line with my black pen so you can see it. Fine. Now I am going to take the lid of this
Crayon box. Keep this lid in the starting point of this sleeping line and draw a circle here with the help of this lid, and one more circle you will draw at the ending point of this sleeping line with the help of this lid, like this.
Now you have to draw small sleeping line here,
Before this first circle,
but it should be parallel to this center line.
draw 2 centimeters long sleeping line here, and we will do the same after the second circle.
Keep your ruler like this.
Again draw 2 centimeters long sleeping line parallel to this middle sleeping line, like this.
Okay. Now children, I am taking another lid. It's a lid of Fevicol. So I am keeping it in the center of this circle, and
Now I am making another circle inside the previous one, and we'll do the same in the second circle. Again we will make a small circle inside this big one.
okay. I hope you can see it well. Okay. Now what you have to do? Now you have to draw a standing line in the center of this sleeping line. It should not be very big. From point 1 to 9 we can draw
5 centimeters long
a straight line, straight vertical line, straight standing line here. Got it? Now what you have to do? I'm taking a big lid here. See, the lid is touching to both circles.
which I have drawn for making wheels.
Now I'm making half circle here. Fine. Now what you have to do? Now you have to make
A curve.
to this half circle, and again we have to do the same. Okay. Now this is the body of car. What you will do?
Draw a sleeping line in the middle of this vertical line,
And I'm drawing this sleeping line like this. Okay. Now again I'm drawing this curve here. This curve. Or you can say you can make a half circle. Now children, see.
Now I am doing little dark to the shape of this car with the sketch pen.
Oh, you can see this well. I'm making wheel cap of this. Fine. And for the tire, you can draw this kind of lines.
Now I am going to draw the headlight of this car here. Now drawing the tail light. Drawing a silencer here. Now making a smoke. It is not the part of this car. If you don't want to make this, you can leave this. Now, what is left here? Yes. Now we will draw the handles of this car.
Okay? This is a very easy way to make a car. Now you can color it. Take any color. I'm going to color this with red. Now children, our car is ready. This is very simple way to draw.
Small car for KG
In the
kids.
same way you'll draw this car in your drawing copy. Thank you. Bye-bye.